But I always wondered how they got them so shiny. So all day students are doing this? Oh, geez. How long does it take to make something like that? There's a reason why every building in the town of Pučišća on the island of Brač is made of limestone, and we're about to show you why.
Here in Pučišća, they didn't have enough ground to make agriculture, but they have wonderful stone. Very often they ask me, what is the sign of good quality of the stone? And always I respond that we have columns in the Christian palace. If the stone stands still in 2000 years, it has to be quality.
So Pučišća would be a great place to invest then.
Yeah,
because the houses are all made out of the stone.
Anyway.
So maybe you'll have a new neighbor soon. Now that we all know that the houses are going to stand forever. Well, it seems like this is a long lost trade just around the world, but you still have it here.
This year we had 79 students.
Okay.
In Greek, there are no one school. Only on island Milos is one old stonemason who have few students with him.
So is that his title? He's a real stonemason?
Yes, he's real stonemason. Yes.
Wow. Great.
From generations, they are stonemasons.
So you're going to be a stonemason?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, show me how it's done, please, after you. Look at that technique.
Every student on the beginning of the first year, they get a piece like this, rough.
Okay.
So, would you try it, or we shall take another?
If you need one more student,
yes.
Are you seeing potential? Oh, that didn't sound very good. What do you think? Okay, this is hard work. That's hard work.
Because of that, we have not too much students. They like to sit with computers and play games, and here they have to work hard. Not only that, but this is anyway dangerous weapon, very sharp. Oh, I know.
Oof, that's really sharp. Hopefully nothing gets out of hand in class
ever. We are
ever.
lucky to have such brave people who want to work.
And what happens if you mess up?
Start again. Almost on the end and break, then we start again. We don't use glue or something. Because we are school, we can always guarantee good quality. We never can guarantee a time of finishing. For us, it's more important to show students how to make.
I'll be an extra set of hands sometimes. See you.
I think she planned to open a school in the USA.
I need to close my mouth. It's flying into my mouth.